Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, it's James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we already finished in the SUBARU Liberty 2006 model. And this one actually came with the factory radio like this. And that's the one staying on top before here. And it comes with the factory McIntosh, premium sound system in the car. And now it actually already have a new 9-inch advanced system fully installed, including connecting to the reverse camera from the car, and it comes with a special frame, which to answer a question for many of you that you want to know if the frame is beautifully fit. Yes, it is 100%. I would say almost 100% fit perfectly into the dash, considering the dash was edged and it was modified throughout the car for a long time by the previous owners, but we did the very best effort to fit everything into the place, including helping the owner to get the air vent locking back into the new frame, because the air vent was all broken inside after they already modified a lot of work. You see they made broken and they put the glue and the air vent didn't stay well on the frame anymore, so we had to do some work over there, but it's all good now. The air vent stay together with the new frame and easy to control from here, the same as we can control, and now the thing here is the 9-inch is big, so it actually will cover the original air vent a little bit more, but from the looking here you can see that it actually cover like like that. So it actually cover like that, and frankly that's not bad. It actually will still work very well, because the air coming out here and block a little part over here, and it still come out very nice. Now talking about the sound system, the new head unit system has a very good sound setup, amplifier inside the head, and then combining with the factory amplifier McIntosh and sound system, it works really beautiful now. And the reverse camera as well already got into the place and connect. So here is wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. Everything is clean and clear and it's ready to be job. So that's important to help you understand that our special system here will fit very nice into the dash. Okay, very much like factory, and yeah, it's good. So you can see how having move left, right, and that's this. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this one, and that is SUBARU Liberty 2006 McIntosh sound system. Thank you, and we'll see you then.